Oh yeah, quarantine ain't nothing to you, big boy. You good. Come on. This is it, boys. It's what I needed. So if you caught my E36 big brake kit video, you will know that one of the brackets was off. I got this kit from UUC, and you know what? I gotta give them props. They overnighted me a replacement bracket, even in the midst of all this stuff. I know they're going through a lot over in Georgia, but they went the extra mile. They shipped me out a replacement bracket overnight. Just got it today. So I'm going to mate it up to the other bracket that works and just make sure that everything is still drilled and looking proper. And boom, just like that, you can see that all the holes line up. They're good to go like they should be. So this should work. So now my task is to get this all reinstalled, and then I'm gonna rebleed the system, go for a test drive, and hopefully this all works out. If you wanna see how to install this big brake kit, check out my last video. I may do a quick rundown in this video too, but time to get this thing back and operational. One thing I do wanna show you is the wear sensor. The wear sensor for the brake pad. Since you're not going to be running the wear sensor, what I'm going to do is plug this back into where the wear sensor goes. Then I'm going to cut these black wires, expose the wires underneath, and just twist those together. All that needs to happen, from what I'm told, the wear sensor just needs to have a closed circuit. So I'm gonna clip those and just twist them together. Use some electrical tape, tuck them up there, wrap them up close to the sensor neatly, and then tuck it back into where the wear sensor is plugged in anyway. And that should stop us from getting a low brake pad warning light. All right, boys, mission complete. And you can see both sides are spinning with little to no resistance at all. I mean, a little bit of dragging, but it's probably from where I tried to bed in the brakes before when they were wrong. So that driver's side has always been right. This side, remember, I couldn't really move any of it, but now it's way, way, way better. So got that all buttoned up. I just went through and bled the brakes. And again, remember, when you're bleeding the brakes, you want to go further side away from the master cylinder as possible. So passenger rear, passenger driver, passenger, front driver. And when you're bleeding 4-pot calipers or calipers that have inboard and outboard, what you want to do is you go outboard, bleed the outboard, bleed the inboard, then bleed the outboard again. That's the stuff, boys. Stuff dreams are made of. Now, this stuff is expensive, but apparently it's worth it. So I'm gonna go through and re-bleed the system before I just use some cheaper stuff. But I'm gonna re-bleed the system with this Mo tool in there, and after that, we'll be good to go. All right, boys, so the good news is the low brake pad warning sensor went away, so that's good. We're not dragging like we were last time. We stop, that's good. All these are positive signs. It's crazy how much more raw this thing is than my S2000. The S2000 is just so stock. This thing just feels so, it's probably just the exhaust. Okay, you want to go to like 45 and then to 15. See if I can do that again. down to 15. Feels good. Okay, we're gonna go 65 again. Now what I'll probably do is jack the car back up yet again and just check all the bolts, the mounts, the adapter, everything like that, just to be sure. I mean, better be safe than sorry. I did put thread locker, I did tighten them down. There weren't torque specs, but I mean, I tightened them down really tight, so they should be good. But just in case, better be safe than sorry. Now that the big brake kit's installed, the next logical thing is to wash it, right? Because we all know big brake kits are like 50% for looks anyway, right? I'm just playing, but for real though, I'm stoked on how this looks too. I would like it to be a little bigger, but we'll see what the future has in store. Whew, wrapped up the big brake kit. You know, I gotta give props to UUC. Yeah, they shipped me that new bracket. Everything worked out well. If you go back and follow the other video that I posted about how to install, it's really straightforward. It's just that one bracket I happened to get was not done properly. So mistakes like that happen. They overnighted me a new one. I got nothing but good things to say to them, or to say about them. So they made that right. I tried to bed in the brakes as best as possible, but I mean, it's hard on public roads, and I can't really go that far in that many places because we're on this lockdown. So that's gonna do it for this one, boys. I'm gonna try and get some pictures of the E36 with the new brake kit on it, because I mean, I think it's gonna look pretty sick. Still have S2000 stuff to do, and actually more E36 stuff to do. So if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe. We got a lot of stuff coming up. I hope you guys are doing well in this quarantine. I hope you guys are chilling, being safe, being healthy, and practicing social distancing. I will see you on the next video. Peace.